Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to connect cPanel with GitHub. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here, cpanel.net. If you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here in the upper right corner. You can get started with managing your accounts. If you're not already created an account, you can go ahead and register for a new account right here. And if you already have your account, you can just go ahead and log into it right here. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by the main cPanel homepage that's going to look like this. This is going to be our dashboard where we can find all the sections we have for managing our websites and hosting, such as our file manager right here. We have our databases and so on. And now we can get started. So basically, guys, you can see there is an article right here on cPanel.net showing us how to go ahead and host Git repositories on our cPanel account. You can take a look at the requirements we need right here, and then you can follow the steps. So hosting a Git repository on your cPanel account is pretty easy. You can just follow the steps right here. So what you need to do is follow the steps right here, how to get started creating a new repository. So you're going to go and follow the steps. You go ahead and clone that repository that you have created, and then you'll be able to edit and update the Git configuration to add it to your cPanel. So you'll be able to clone the repository locally and then push the local changes to the hosted repository. So you want to go ahead and find this article right here on cPanel.net and get started following all the steps to get your documentation and to get started connecting your database of GitHub right here. So you'll be able to access it all from this menu, and that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.